Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So we are back with another interview experience. In this interview experience, we are going to cover the interview experience for Infosys for the role of system engineer. So for that, I have invited Saurabh on my YouTube channel. He has been recently selected in Infosys for the role of system engineer and he is 2022 pass out. So we'll be getting an opportunity to know more about this role, more about the rounds that he has been through. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further to the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then guys do consider subscribing my channel and make sure to join our Telegram community as well. So yeah, I believe that's all from my side. You can start with your introduction, Saurabh.
I am 2022 batch pass out. I am currently studying in Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Kanpur. I am currently selected in Infosys for the profile of system engineer.
Okay. So Saurabh, this opportunity was on campus or off campus for you?
It was off campus, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So can you just let us know about the rounds as well? Like how many rounds were there for you, if you can list them?
There were 2 rounds for this profile. First round was in written assessment and second was in technical interview.
Okay. So can you just let us know about the written assessment, like how many sections were there, what was the difficulty level, and what kind of questions were there, like how you solve these questions, how do you rate the overall written assessment part?
There were 5 sections in the written assessment. First one is of quantitative aptitude, second is of reasoning, third one is of verbal ability, fourth one is pseudocode, and fifth one is of puzzle. And I think quantitative aptitude and reasoning section is somewhere moderate, whereas the section of verbal ability was quite easy. And the section of pseudocode in puzzle is somewhere moderate too.
Okay. So that was the case with you. So how you prepared for the same? Because when it comes to the written assessment, then along with solving the questions, you have to manage time as well. So you have to keep time constraint as well in your mind. So how you prepared? What were the resources that you followed?
For the written assessment, I was totally dependent on YouTube, such as I followed many such channels which provided me guidance for my assessment round, and they guys provided me some questions that were exactly in the paper of the Infosys, and somewhere I followed your videos too. They were great to an extent too, and I literally had quite support from your videos.
Thank you. Yeah, please carry on. And what about the aptitude part? Like how you prepared for it? Like for this as well, you followed the YouTube videos, previous year questions, because aptitude is the part where mainly students are not able to solve in the given time constraint. So what was the case for aptitude part?
For my aptitude part, I literally started practicing last year questions for Infosys that helped to me a great extent, such as I got to know what type of questions are there in the exams, and that's it. The question came in my paper was also quite moderate. That's it. The question was pretty moderate.
Okay. So when you got to know that you have cleared the written assessment and your interview round, when it was scheduled?
Yeah, I have got to know after 15 to 20 days of the written examination.
Okay.
And then after a week, I got the mail for my interview round. And in those 1 week time, I prepared for my technical interview round.
Okay, so can you let us know like what were the questions asked in your technical interview and what, like how you prepared also? So how you prepared and what were the questions asked and how long your interview was?
Firstly, the interviewer asked me for the introduction, and then after he asked me about my final year project. There were some technical questions too. They asked my favorite subject, and when I told them my favorite subject, they asked some questions from that section. I told him that DBMS is my favorite subject, so they asked some questions from DBMS. Then they asked some questions from Python, which is obviously my favorite programming language. I love to do code in Python. And last question was that they asked from software engineering. Such
Okay.
the question was, what are the phases of HDLC?
Okay. Okay. So how long your interview went?
It went around 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So were you able to answer all the questions, or it was the case that you were not able to answer one or two questions? I'm asking this question because many students, like if they're not able to answer one or two questions, they feel like they'll be rejected. So what was the case for you?
I got stuck in one to two questions. In those questions, I know partially about them,
Hmm.
and I think apart from those two questions, I got all the answers right.
Okay, okay. So I believe, yeah, that's all from my side. These were the questions that I was having to discuss with you. Again, thanks a lot for accepting my invitation and sharing your interview experience on my channel. But before wrapping up the video, I would like to ask you if you have any important advice or any message that you would like to give your batchmates or the audience that is watching your juniors. So that would be of great help. So yeah.
I would like to tell them that they can easily prepare for this profile. The questions asked in the written round were quite moderate, and the interview round, which takes place around 20 to 25 minutes, also is quite easy. So I think they can easily perform in this well, and that's all.
Okay, okay, perfect. Very helpful advice. So thank you so much, Saurabh, for sharing your interview experience on my channel, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you, everyone. Those who are watching, bye bye.
Thank you very much, Soumya.